and welcome back. So I've selected my next 12 by 12 that I wanted to work on and make some crafty things with. It's Paige Evans, who's one of my favorites. It's her Take Me Away collection, which is a few years old. I've been hoarding this in my stash and I decided this is the time. I'm going to make things with it. I'm going to use it. So I have already taken apart the pages, taken off the cover, and I've already kind of started. I've put paper clips on the things that I kind of want to make with the pages. So here I have journaling, so I'm going to do fussy cutting and cut these journaling cards apart. So these are all journaling cards that I will use in the project. This paper clip, oh wait, hold on, we got stuck here. There we go, I think. All right, I'll have to fix. Yep, there we go. This one I'm going to use and make some embellishments. So I have these set aside for that. And then this one, oh, this must go with embellishments. This one I have pocket letters, envelope flips. So basically I'm going to make some friend mail, happy mail with those pages. And then underneath all of this, I have started, for this one, instead of journals like I did last time, I'm going to make TNs, so traveler's notebooks. So kind of like this, like a little insert that you can then put into your journal. It's not going to have blank pages like this. It's actually going to have the scrapbook pages inside with some vintage papers, etc. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are going to be the covers of the traveler's notebooks. And then I have the other pages that I've cut from the paper pad. And then these are going to also go inside along with some other pages to make the traveler's notebook. And then I have all of these cut-offs already from the things that I've made. And I think I'm going to add some of these to the traveler's notebooks as well as to the other things that I have there. So this can be part of my embellishments, or if I need something for an envelope flip, etc. So I hope you stay tuned to see where I go next. I think I'm gonna set the traveler's notebooks aside because I've been itching to make a, oh, what's it called? An envelope flip book. So that's what I'm going to do next. All right, stay tuned for the next journey into the next 12 by 12 paper pad. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye. All right, so I did some fussy cutting and I just kind of wanted to show you again where I'm at. So out of the few pages that I wanted to keep for tags, I've cut those apart and made them into tags. I also have these cut-off parts that I used my We Are Memory Keepers tag punch, and those are done. And then here are all the cut-aparts, the 3x4 cards, and that one sheet that had 2x2 cards. I have those here, and then the one page with the embroidery rings. I fussy cut those. I think these I'm going to use and add some embellishment to them. And then I went back through my stash and I pulled out some stuff, just a few things, just a few things that I thought would work with this line. Now this is another Paige Evans line. It's Turn the Page. Similar colors. Different paper line. I think I only have the 6x6 of this. I'm not sure. So, but anyway, I have the little 2x2 squares here. I have some old Hip Kit Club embellishments that match the colors. I also have this. I think this is from the same line. It might be from another one of Paige Evans' lines. And then I have these really fun Freckled Fawn doilies that I've had. They're acetate, and I thought those would be kind of fun to use. Some frames. Puffy stickers from Dear Lizzie. Some pink paisley from Moonstruck. This is several years old, 2016, but I thought that would be fun. Here's some envelopes. Some embellishments from the Paper Studio. Turn the Page ephemera. I have 2 different packs. Some flowers and some chipboard pieces, some words, and some stickers. So with all of that, I thought I would start. I'm gonna set these aside. I would start my first, whatchamacallit, this envelope flip book. All right. Except I don't have a tape runner. I need to go get tape. So, oh, what's this? Maybe this will work. All right. Let's give this a go. Hopefully I have enough tape in this tape runner. All right, it has been ages since I made an envelope flip book, so I'm kind of excited. All right, so I'm just gonna tape the flap of the envelope to the next envelope, and I left a little bit of gap, probably 1/4 inch, because when we get goodies in there and it folds, it's gonna need room to bend. I'm gonna do that again. Oh man, come on. Is that the end of my tape roll? Do I have another one? Let's see what this one does. Oh, good. Okay. We're in luck. There we go. And I'm gonna have a 4. Let's see, do I want 4? I think 4 would be fun. Just flip like that. And then we can do this. Oh, where'd it go? There we go, like this. This, like this, and then this can flap around and kind of be the closure. Okay. Yes. All right, so now I'm looking down at the paper, and I had these selected for my envelope flip books. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to get my panels. So I need a front cover. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a back 8. And then the flap. All right, and these measure, not sure what size. A little over 4.5, like 4 and, yeah, a little bit, and 5.5. So I think I'll do 4.5 by 5.5. What did I say? 4.5? Yeah, 4.5. So that we have a little bit of a border. Okay. I think I'm gonna have this as the front. So 4.5. No, Cara. This is the, oh yeah, wait. Yes, oh, phew, okay. When I messed up my width. And 5.5. There we go, that looks good. I might even do the width a little bit less. Now, of course, this depends on the size of your envelope, what you're going to cut yours to. Yeah, okay. And then let's do the back in the same. So 5.5 and a little bit less. There we go. Good. All right, I like that. I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to tape that down. Most of the time I kind of cut my paper and then decide where I want it to go. I'm going to do it this way. Since I know that I want this to go on the front. There we go. And I want this on the back. So envelope flip books and pocket letters is what got me back into crafting several years ago. So this has really been fun because I haven't made one. Like I said, I haven't made one of these in ages. All right. Let's do this one next. I think I want 2 different pages, so let's see what we have here. Okay. This will be there. This will be here. And then we have our front. All right. This one needs to be a little bit shorter. All right, so I'm going to leave this so I don't tape it down, so this can be a little tuck for some goodies. You could trim it down so you can see it. I actually think I'm going to use my circle punch and just punch punch a little notch so that you'll be able to get in and get the goodies. Needs to be a little bit shorter. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And so this one I'm just going to tape around the outside. And a little bit up here. There we go. You have an envelope to get stuff. This one, can't decide which way the scales are supposed to go. This is the top of the page, so I guess like that. Okay. Looks good. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Have a little notch. For some goodies. That looks good. So it needs to be a little bit trimmed. So now we want to do this flap. And for this, I'm going to trace. Okay, for this part, I sped it up. I am just adding the front flap and the back flap. I don't know if that's really what you call it, but I sped it up, I'm cutting them down, and then I will tape them on to my envelope. And I think that will be the first part of my 12 by 12 paper pad. The next part, I will show you how I embellished this envelope flip book. And then we'll see where we go from there. All right, thanks so much for watching and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.